Hello everyone, welcome back to Sveton's channel, the place where we explore natural ways to improve your eye health and vision. Have you ever wondered if carrots really help eyesight? You're in the right place, because in today's video we are going to uncover the truth behind this popular belief. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started, debunking the myth. First things first, let's address the myth that carrots can significantly improve eyesight. While carrots are undoubtedly a nutritious vegetable packed with vitamins and minerals, the idea that they can transform your vision overnight is a bit an exaggeration. The origin of this belief dates back to World War II, when British propaganda claimed that their pilots had exceptional night vision because they ate carrots. In reality, their success was due to a new radar technology, not just eating carrots. The nutritional benefits of carrots. Now, that doesn't mean carrots are not good for your eyes. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A which is essential for maintaining good vision, especially in low light conditions. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness, so including carrots in your diet can contribute to overall eye health. However, it's essential to have a balanced diet with various nutrients, not just rely on carrots alone. Tips for better eye health. To preserve optimal eyesight, it's vital to embrace a comprehensive approach. Regular eye exercises and a balanced diet that includes not only carrots but also other vitamins and proteins are super important to maintain eye structure, and especially crucial nowadays giving your eyes a break from screens. All vital clear vision habits to start doing today. By the way, if you want a comprehensive eye training course to improve eye health and vision, a comprehensive Eyesight Academy online program, a link in the description below. Conclusion. While carrots do contain nutrients beneficial for eye health, they are not a magical solution that will suddenly grant you perfect vision. However, incorporating them into a balanced diet can definitely contribute to maintaining good eyesight in the long run. Remember, taking care of your eyes involves a combination of healthy habits, so make sure to prioritize your overall well-being.